Welcome to the Office Development Championship Bout Round 1. In the blue corner is Microsoft stalwart Visual Studio Tools for Office, also known as VSTO. In the green corner, popular and powerful Addin Express, also known as ADX. These two title contenders are here to duke it out round by round, feature by feature, to decide once and for all who is the best toolset and framework for creating Microsoft Office-based solutions. Now sit back and enjoy round 1 and watch as both VSTO and ADX try to land a punch on the topics of multi-application support and multi-version support. The winner receives this golden boxing glove as their reward. We'll start with Addin Express, and what we'll do is say File, New Project, and then we'll choose inside of Extensibility, ADX, Addin. I'm going to leave everything else as the default, and then we're presented with a wizard that allows us to, one, automatically support multiple versions of Office starting from 2000 to XP, 2003, 2007, and 2010. I also can choose my language. We're going to leave it at Visual Basic and say Next. Then supported applications, and if I so chose, I can choose each and every one from Excel all the way down to front page. But I'll take the big 4 of Excel, Word, Outlook, and PowerPoint and say Next. And I'm going to finish. And just like that, I have an add-in that supports multiple versions of Microsoft Office and supports multiple applications. And how do I know this? Well, I can scroll in. I have the add-in module open, and I can go into the properties window and scroll down. And if we look at the supported applications, we see that we have Excel, Word, Outlook, and PowerPoint all supported. Also, if we look in the Solution Explorer, we'll see Show All Files, which allows me to see the interops folder, and we see in here all of the version-independent interopt assemblies that have been created by Addin Express. Now let's take a look at how we can do the same thing with Visual Studio Tools for Office. So we'll go to New Project, and we will move up to the Visual Basic node and go to Office, and then we're going to choose, well, wait a minute. 2010, 2007. I'm not sure what we're going to do here. Let's see. We're going to choose, wait, where's just a Office? I just want Office. I want to do all of them. Let's choose Excel, and maybe I can do a control click on Outlook. No, I can only pick one. Okay, let's just see what happens. Well, looks like I only have an Excel add-in. You know, I guess I could add. Let's see, add a new project to this solution. Let's see if maybe I could do maybe I'll do a PowerPoint and add that. Okay, well that's a start, but golly, I've got 2 add-in classes with startup and shutdown methods. I don't like the sound of this. Let's see, can I add one for, say, 2007? What's this going to be about? Well, golly, 2007 Excel add-in. Oh man, I don't even want to mess with this. And then what about 2003? Oh man, I think I'm going to have to open Visual Studio 2008. Let's see what's here. File, New Project. That's the same thing. Office 2007 and 2003. It's not really clear to me what to do. I don't like any of this. How about we close this and see what else we can do with Addin Express? Because if I go here inside of Visual Studio 2008 and other project types, I go to the Extensibility node, choose an ADX add-in, say OK, and again, I have the same wizard. Look at this. I can choose support for all versions of Office from 2000 to 2010. I can choose C# or VB. I'll leave it at VB. And then, well, look at this again. I can support all the Office applications that I want to support and say Next and say Finish. And then once again, I just have one single project where I can put all my code in this add-in module and any other class I choose to include. And if I'm looking at my properties, we can scroll down again and see all my supported apps just like that. And the winner of round 1, a battle over multi-application support and multi-version support. And as it turns out, support for multiple versions of Visual Studio is Addin Express!